Hello, my beautiful and elegant people. I hope you're doing extremely well today. Since the past few days, I have been coming across a couple of posts on social media wherein people have been using jargon. And in today's video, that is exactly what we are going to be discussing about. Jargon are special words or expressions used by a profession or a group of people that are difficult for the others to understand. We all must have come across the word jargon, and now we also saw what it actually means, the definition of jargon. It is very important to understand that when you are on a public platform, use words that is understandable by your audience. Why should one be mindful of using jargon? It is absolutely fine to use jargons, but one must also be mindful of using it in the right set of people, between the right set of profession. It is very important to know your audience. Especially when you use something on a social media platform, it is essential to not use jargon and rather use terms that are understood by the layman as well. Maintaining a proper social media etiquette to reflect your personal brand is thus very important. How you communicate on social media platforms or also in person says a lot about you. It becomes a way for the other people who don't know anything about to get to know you better. Jargon, when used amongst a certain set of people belonging to the same category of yours, especially in the business or corporate world, gives the others a chance to understand the knowledge that you possess. However, when one uses jargon in front of a crowd that may not understand those terms, they come across as a snob. And this thus makes the other people move away from them instead of getting attached to them and wanting to know them more. It's thus very important to make a conscious choice of words that you use and address them at the right time. There is one more thing that might not do you any good. Using abbreviations also at times may not do you any good. Thus be very mindful of either using jargons or abbreviations. Use terms that are easily understood by the others. Being mindful about the words that you choose and speak could make or break your image. So making that choice is in your hands. However you wish the others to look up to you lies in your hands. Jargon is one small way of how you can create an image for your personal brand in order to let the others know you in a much better manner. If you've liked this video and you think that it has added any value, or if you know of somebody who has been using jargon a lot, just maybe if that person is unintentionally using those words or it is happening on purpose, share this video with them as well. If there is anything specific that you would like me to make a video over, please let me know in the comment section below. If there are any more ideas or points that you have to add to this jargon, let me know in the comment section below. If you are a new viewer to my channel, I would request you to please click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon next to it so that you get notified each time that a new video is uploaded. And in case if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here with me. Until I see you next, keep smiling, keep shining.